Hello viewers and welcome back. Today I got here the Honda Pioneer 1000 and I'm going to be installing the rear A-arm guards. Let's get to it. Here is everything that comes in the kit. We got our brackets and our bolts. Pay attention to the brackets. You can see the hole goes up from the bottom here and in through the side here. The bracket will sit on the guard like so. We got our guards. I'm probably going to need a punch to align some of the holes and a 6mm Allen key. If you want the paper instructions, here are what they provide you with. Simply type in the website or scan the QR code and then you can print off the paper instructions. I'm going to go ahead and install all my brackets onto the guards, putting a bolt from the bottom up. Here's how I have all the brackets set up and ready to go onto the machine. Now I'm going to line the guard up and install it onto the machine, putting the bolts in from the side. I may have to use my punch to line up a few of the holes. Once you have all the bolts in place, go ahead and tighten them all up. Once all the bolts are tight, go ahead and install the other side the exact same way. This job is all done. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button or click up here to check out the next video. And if you found this one useful, let me know by dropping me a super thanks. And I'll be sure to recognize you in my next video. This has been my rear A-arm guard install on the Honda Pioneer 1000. Ride safe.